Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Erica Loves Simple Cooking TV, guys. So guys, let's do a review on this trending juicer that is on by the name of, they call it Susties. It's on TikTok, it's on Amazon, and so it's trending right now. So let's do a review, guys. We're gonna do some juicing and we're gonna review. So right here, guys, I set up the juicer. For you to set up the juicer to hook to the back of this blender, you have to leave it open. So once you leave it open and turn it, it will lock. So right here, guys, I'm testing it, guys. This is second time. So right here I'm putting some cucumber. You don't really have to cut up your stuff them a lot, you know, like the cucumber now I just cut it in two and it just crush everything, guys. The review says that this blender is supposed to make everything thin and crush out everything without liquid left, much liquid left in it, whatever come back out of the juicer, like the pulp that comes out, that the pulp's not supposed to be too wet, it's supposed to be dry, but wherein that's not the case, it is wet. So right here, guys, I'm putting a lemon. So after I put in the cucumber, I'm putting a lemon. For right here, guys, I'm blending some, I'm juicing some lemon, cucumber and chocho. Yes, guys, chocho. My husband did chocho a man in time with lemon and ginger and lemon, ginger, and chocho, lemon, and cucumber. So cucumber, lemon, chocho, and ginger in the morning. So right here I'm juicing the 4 ingredients that my husband drink a morning time. So far, guys, they said this juicer don't make a lot of noise. It does make a noise. It make noise, but not excess noise. So that's not so bad. So right here, guys, you see the tank is filling up with all that juice. Guys, you have to make sure you empty out your juice when it's full up, or else it start to make a lot of noise. So right here, guys, I'm juicing another piece of chocho. And I'm setting the cups that come with it, guys, like regular cups, so you can't hold all the juice that is in the container in the juicer. So right here I have another juicer cup, so I'm using that one to catch the juice, guys. It's not that bad, guys, but you know, the pulp, where they say the pulp, when the pulp come out, it's not too wet, it's dry. Nope, the pulp is not dry. And here they give us a toothbrush. The feed to me is kind of too small, so it takes forever for the pulp to come out, and sometimes the pulp is sticking. So right here, guys, that's the last piece of the chocho. So watch the process, guys. We go along, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Pick up, subscribe, comment, and share. So guys, right here I'm gonna do some this is some pineapple, guys. If you're gonna do pineapple in this thing, make sure you cut out the middle piece, because the middle piece is too hard and it's gonna stuck inside the juicer. So that's another thing, guys. They said the stuff don't get stuck in this juicer. Well, let's see, because the pineapple did get stuck in the juicer, and so you have to stop and unclog it wherever it's stuck. The machine is not that bad, guys, because the pulp, the juice that come out doesn't have a lot of pulp in it, so you can drink the pulp. Right there, guys, you see how it's crushing everything. Yes, it does crush everything, guys. Right there, after I crush everything, all the juice come out, you don't have much left in the juicer. There goes the drum on top of the juice, and below the juicer full. This is where all the pulp come out, guys. See right there, the pineapple is stuck inside that little hole that comes out, because the hole is not big enough to let out the pulp. So guys, if you're gonna use pineapple, cut out the middle. There you go, guys. See the pulp is so wetty, and the cucumber didn't come out smooth, it come out kind of choppy. So right there, guys, everything is so wet. It's still wet. I don't know if I expect too much from this juicer, but the way it trend, that you know, when you see all that juice I'm squeezing out, they say when you use the juicer, the pulp come out dry. The pulp didn't come out dry, it's still, you know, somewhat wet. There goes the juice, guys. I must give it, you know, say that the juicer is not that bad, other than the pulp issue that is not dry, and where I have the pineapple stuck couple times. This pineapple stuck in the juicer. So right here, guys, I'm doing the the cucumber, so I cut up the cucumber smaller, guys, and I put a piece of ginger. So there go the cucumber and ginger, because right now I'm gonna make another juice, which is the pineapple juice with cucumber and ginger. So right here, guys, you just crush everything, guys. This is, you know, this sauce, it's not that bad, you know. Would I give it what review would I give this now? You see, guys, the pineapple is stuck on the left hand side and the cucumber is coming out. That means if you're gonna put pineapple, you have to cut out the middle piece of the pineapple, because that is too hard. It's too hard and tough to come out. Right there, guys. So right here is the juice from the cucumber and the ginger, and I'm adding some more pineapple, guys. Wish I had known, I would have cut out the hard part, you know, from the pineapple, and then maybe I wouldn't have that issue with the pulp sticking. So guys, if you're doing pineapple, as I said, cut out the middle part of the pineapple, because it's too tough and it's gonna stick. Right there is the juice, guys. So the juice come out easy, and it doesn't have a lot of pulp in the juice. You don't even have to strain the juice, guys. You can't just drink it like that, because there's not a lot of pulp in your juice. So the only issue I have with this juicer is the fact that the pulp come out somewhat wetty. I did expect the pulp to come out a little bit drier, but it did not come out drier. So right here, guys, I'm finished up. You see right here, guys, with the toothbrush that they gave me with a little tick, you have to use the end of the toothbrush to pick out wherever it's stuck. So right there, it's stuck, guys. So I have to be cleaning out the pineapple that's stuck in the juicer. So right there, I think the hole that the juicer, the pulp come through, need to be a little bit bigger. You know, at least you will have that difficulty. Guys, if you are doing pineapple, you have to cut out the middle part of the pineapple. So there, guys, I put a apple. Let's see if this is the apple, guys. So I put an apple in here. Let's see if this is the apple. No, guys, that's the pineapple stuck in the juicer. So I have to turn off the juicer. I have to open the juicer and unclog it. Where in the review says that you don't have those issues, but that's one of the issues, where your fruits can stuck in the juice and you have to open it and clog it. So guys, juice are not bad, but it have a few little flaws that not matching up with the advertisement. Guys, if you're still watching this video, please comment, subscribe and share. Thank you so much. So right here, guys, they say you could put an apple inside this juicer and you don't have to cut it up. Let's see what's gonna happen, guys. As I said, the juicer is not a bad juicer, but the review, some of the review is not matching with what they say. There you go, guys. The apple stuck in the side of the juicer. Right here, I have to open it and try to unclog the apple, because the apple stuck right there, guys. See where the apple stuck? And now you unclog it, and there you go, crushing everything, guys. You really crush your stuff, and that goes, you know. I'm finished right here, guys. I'm separating it, and I'm disconnecting the different parts. It's not that bad, guys. Once you get used to it, you will, you know, it will come apart more easily. So right there, guys, you see a lot of the fruits and stuff on that, wherein that is expected. It's a good juice. I can hold a lot, guys. It might look small, but it hold a lot of fruits inside. You really do. Right here, I'm trying to take out the blade. The blade made from plastic, so it's, you don't have to worry about it cutting you. The only part, guys, this, you know, it's not, you won't have to worry about it cutting you. It's, you know, it's pretty good. All plastic, other than the piece that push down inside. And there you go, guys. Inside the drum, you don't have much inside there. As I said, where you let the drum, where the drum can let out the pulp, I wish that they made that part a little bit bigger, make it more easier for the pulp to come out. It's, you know, I would give it a good review. You know, 8 out of 10. I think I would give it an 8. I would give it an 8. Because if the pulp had come out easy, and also if we didn't have that stuck, the fruit stuck in the juicer, and also you have to spend so much time trying to clean out the the little hole or whatever, that part that the pulp come through. If you don't have to spend some more time sometimes trying to get that out, I would give it a 10, but right now I'm giving it an 8 just by this juice and using it, guys. Let's see how it works. Guy, right here, I thought that was another issue, but it wasn't really an issue. There's another part and this piece that's supposed to come off, but I didn't realize it. So as I wash it and keep going on, keep washing it, once I start washing it, I realized that part's supposed to come off, guys. So right here, guys, I'm still picking with my toothbrush, not realizing that piece supposed to come off. That's 2 pieces together. It's not just 1 piece. But when I set up the juice, I rinsed it and wash it, but I didn't see that part. So that part come down inside the drum where it keep the juice, guys. So you know, there you go, guys. I separated. Just figure it out that you have to take off this piece that look like a comb, and you know, after that, you guys, after you're done, take out, separate them. It was easy breezy to wash. It was very easy to wash, so it wasn't really an issue. But as I said, it's trending right now on TikTok and Amazon. So I saw it on TikTok. I tried to buy it from TikTok, but the delivery charge was so expensive. The shipping charge was so expensive. So I go on Amazon and I found it where, you know, if you use Prime on Amazon, you could get free shipping. The only thing when you order, because it's trending, it takes so long for you to get it. I think it takes me about 2 to 3 weeks to get it because it's trending and everybody buying it, so it takes more time to get one. Wherein, as I said, this juicer is not that bad, but you know, other than the fact that the pineapple stock, the apple stock, and the pulp coming out stock, and the pulp is wet, not as dry as I expect it to be, and so I give it a 8. So I'm gonna continue using this juicer because, as I said, my husband after juice is chocho, is ginger, and is cucumber, and is lemon in the morning to drink. And so, guys, I will give another review to see if it's still strong and going. So right here, guys, I'm pouring my juice. You know, I pour the juice and I add water to it because I don't drink, I'm not a liquid sweet person, so I add water to it to make it not too sweet. And there you go, guys, my cucumber, pineapple, ginger, and lemon juice. That's all natural juice, guys. So right here, guys, I love to recycle, and right here I'm recycling. I recycle these bottles, guys. These bottles are pasta bottle, tomato sauce bottle, pasta sauce bottle. Yes, to pasta sauce bottle. So because these are pasta sauce bottle, guys, I wash them, I take off the paper off of them, and I reuse them, guys. Guys, this is another way to save money, because if you want not to be running to the store all the time to buy stuff, this bottle is not free, guys. You get them with the pasta sauce, but guys, you pay for the bottle. The bottle is a part of your product, so the bottle is not free. So guys, if you can take off the paper, wash your bottle and reuse them for something like this, like juice or any liquid form that you want to save, you can do so, guys, by saving your pasta bottle. Guys, I try to save everything. I'm not quick to throw out stuff. I try to save them and reuse them, and to help with the environment, guys, because there's so much trash going out every day in the garbage. And guys, where you think they put all these trash? It back up somewhere, because it's a lot of trash. So if you can reuse something to help the environment, reuse them. Don't throw everything in the garbage. There you go, guys, my pasta bottles that I save, pasta sauce bottle that I save for juice. Guys, if you're still watching, please comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for commenting. Guys, give me, let me say, 500. I'm asking for 1,000. 1,000 subscribers. Guys, if 1,000 people see this video, please subscribe. 1,000 likes. If you see this video, like the video, subscribe to the video, and guys, once you subscribe, I will come back and subscribe back to your video, guys. I'm not gonna be a doorkeeper. I'm gonna come back and subscribe to your video, guys. Help me to grow, guys. This is a channel that just started in the pandemic, and I'm still struggling because I wasn't really putting out stuff often, but now that I get the hang of things, I'm putting out stuff at least every week. If I don't put out every week, it's because I'm kind of busy. But right now, guys, I try to put out a video every week, and this is one of the way that I save stuff by recycling containers, whether plastic containers or glass bottle. I recycle them and reuse them again to help protect the environment. Use your stuff, guys. Don't waste money. These bottles are part of your product that you buy. You buy the pasta sauce, but the price that you pay for the pasta sauce is also a part of the bottles. So you can wash the bottle and reuse them. And guys, thank you so much for watching, and may God continue to bless you. And remember that Jesus loves you, and I do too. Take care of yourself. Walk good. Until next time, you do something good for somebody today. Give a smile. Send me a heart. If you watch this video to the end, give me a heart. If I see a heart in the comment section, I know that you finished watch the video. So guys, take care of yourself. Until next time, as I say, walk good and continue to serve the Lord with all your heart.